If y'all are seeing me for the first time, my name is Tracy. I'm the creator and I run our YouTube channel, but I also am the author of our blogs. And if you want like a readable tutorial version of a lot of our videos of what we're all about here at 4D Farms, we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. You can catch us on our blogs at 4dfarms.blogspot.com and 4dfarms.wordpress.com.
Are y'all wanting to try pressure canning, but you're just a little scared too? I'm going to help you, so buckle up and pay attention. I have a newer All-American canner, but y'all, this pertains to the old ones too that you got passed down from your grandmother or your great-great-grandmother. I have two from my mother-in-law, and I use them too. Always follow and read your instruction owner's manual before you even start. This will tell you exactly how this particular canner works, or any canner, your canner. Tells you how much water to put in it before you get started to create the steam that you need. And it will tell you how to maintenance, take care of it, and everything. It also has your guides in here for every vegetable that you want to do, every meat that you want to do. Tells you the processing times for pints and quarts. Tells you how to raw pack them or hot pack them. It also tells you your elevation, how many pounds pressure for your elevation. Pay attention to these charts and processing times. Fill your canner with your vegetables. Always follow safe canning practices when filling your jars. Okay, got plenty of videos on that if you need to know how. Fill your canner. This is the All-American canner, but all lids are the same, y'all. You just kind of want to make sure you have, if you have the rubber seal gasket, you want to make sure it's kind of lubricated. This one doesn't have a rubber seal, as you can see, but you still want to kind of lubricate it just a little bit. This one has the lids, the screw-on bolts that holds the lid down. You want to make sure it's even. Follow your instruction manual for your canner as to how to put your lid on. You want to make sure it's good and tight. Then when you load your canner, it will tell you in your owner's manual how much water to put in the bottom. Then you put the amount of jars in here that your manual says to hold. This one holds 7, or I can do 14 pints because they can stack on top of each other. This is the Golly Whopper, okay? You're going to put your lid on, then you're going to turn your eye on. You're going to let it start heating up until you see steam coming out of here. When you see steam coming out of here, let it blow for 10 minutes. Then you are going to put your bobbler on, whatever comes with your owner's manual. See the pressure, 5, 10, 15. My elevation is 10 pounds. When this vent hole blows a continuous steam for 10 minutes, then I will put this on here, 10 pounds pressure. Then I will start watching this gauge. I will do these green beans for 10 pounds pressure, 25 minutes for quarts. You just have to read your owner's manual or your canning book to know processing times for different vegetables. Most pressure canners work the same. This is just the basics that you need to know, okay? So I'm going to watch this. When I put my bobbler on, it's going to hold at 10 pounds pressure. And I'm going to process these for 25 minutes. Never, ever, ever, ever take your bobbler off when you remove it from the stove. Never. You will release your pressure too fast and you can bust every one of your jars. Just move this over to the side on a counter somewhere to cool off. Come back down to 0 pressure to where you can get the lid off. It will unlock. It's safe to take the lid off. Then take your bobbler off to release any last little bit of steam that might be in there. That's it, y'all. That's the basics. If you want to know more, go to my 4D Farms Canning and Preserving playlist and check out the video where I'm debunking some myths about pressure canning. I go more into depth, step by step, on my canning carrots video, where I explain more about the pressure cooker. In that video, I'm using a different one of the older timer ones, if that's the kind that you have. But the basics are the same. Y'all, don't be scared to try new things. Get out of your comfort zone. Read, educate yourself, research, and go for it, okay? That's how I got over my fear, okay? So give it a whirl. Go watch those videos before you get started to make you more comfortable. But read your owner's manual first. Happy canning and preserving.